Hey guys, welcome to AppPro's YouTube channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever clicked on a link on a website, thought you were going straight into an app and suddenly you landed on an app store instead? Or worse, a blank page. That tiny moment of friction is exactly where brands lose thousands of users every single day. And the solution to this entire problem is something called Web to App. So let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Web to App is basically the bridge that connects your website to your app without breaking the user journey. Think of it this way. Your user starts on Google or reads a blog or opens a link on Instagram, all on the web. But the conversion, install, the purchase, the order, the booking, that happens inside your app. And if that jump from web to app is not smooth, you lose them. Right there, in the middle. Most users drop off between the click and the install. Why? Because the experience breaks. A great web to app experience fixes that. One tap, straight to the right place inside the app, zero confusion. When a user is already interested, maybe they are checking a product, a coupon, a dish, a recharge plan, they are already halfway converted. If you take them directly into that exact page in the app, your install rate jumps instantly. Now this is the part marketers actually lose sleep over. When a user moves from web to the app, attribution breaks. You can't track where they came from, what they clicked, or which campaign worked. A proper web to app setup reconnects everything, so every install and every conversion gets credited to the right source. If your business depends on in-app conversions, web to app is not a nice to have, it's absolutely essential. Alright, so web to app is important, but how do you actually make it work smoothly? That's where AppPro makes life 10x easier. First, their Smart Script. This is a tiny piece of code you add to your website and it does all the heavy lifting. It checks the user's device, OS, and whether the app is already installed. Then it takes them to the right place automatically. No engineer spending weeks on deep linking logic, it just works. Smart banners. These are those clean little banners you see at the top or bottom of a web page saying open in-app or download the app. Except with AppPro, they are not just banners, they are dynamic, customizable, and fully trackable. Meaning, you know exactly how many people installed or opened the app from each banner. In simple words, if your marketing starts on the web, but your business works inside your app, and let's be honest, that's most business today. You cannot afford a broken web to app journey. Every break costs you users and every user costs you money. AppPro gives you a smooth, trackable, context-aware web to app experience without extra engineering effort and without breaking your attribution. A better user journey means better conversion. Better conversions mean better ROI. And better ROI, that means your marketing is finally working the way it should. If you want to see how simple web to app can actually be, you know where to find us. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.